Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a simple and easy recipe, applesauce. Will be done in under 5 minutes. Applesauce is such a classic, yummy and versatile sauce you can use in many different recipes and even have it as a snack at home. I especially use it in baking as an egg substitute or replacement. I used applesauce when making my yummy pumpkin cake. You can check it out after watching this video. So I'm going to be using 2 fresh Pink Lady apples. You can use any type of apples you like. I personally prefer Pink Lady apples because they taste very nice and they seem to get the job done very well. So I'm going to peel off the skin of the apples and dice them into cubes. Now that's done, I'm going to pour in the diced apples into my pot. I'm also going to add in some water and I'm going to make sure that the water level is at par with the apples in the pot. We don't want a deep boil. We want sort of like a steam. As it's boiling, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And I'm going to leave it to boil until tender. I'm going to squeeze in some lemon juice and let it boil just a little bit more. And voila, you can see my apples are now tender. I'm just going to let them cool and we're almost done, guys. I'm going to pour in the apples into my blender and blend until smooth. And there we have it, guys, a simple classic homemade applesauce. Yum. Like I said before, applesauce is so yummy and versatile and can be used in many different baking recipes. For those of you who don't want to use eggs, I've learned that 4 tablespoons of applesauce is equal to 1 egg. Applesauce is also a great nutritional snack. Sometimes I use it as a sweetener or pour it on my pancakes, and other times I actually eat applesauce with apple slices. Don't forget to check out my video on pumpkin cake. You can check it out after this video. I'll leave it linked. So friends, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. I would like to know your comments in the comment section. Please share this video and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao!